everyone, welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. I'll be focusing on how to create a QR code within Google Chrome for free. First off, you need to be inside of Google Chrome. Make sure you are logged into your Google Chrome profile in the very top right corner. Now on your Google Chrome profile in the very top right bar, usually next to your extensions and next to your password icon, you're going to see these four little boxes. When I hover over these four boxes, I'm able to see it says Create QR Code. This is a built-in QR code feature within Google Chrome. A lot of people typically don't know about this. I believe it is a newer feature. So instead of going to a website or through Canva or wherever you get your QR codes, you can now do it right through Google Chrome. If you do not see this little icon up here in your toolbar, let me show you really quickly how to add it. We're going to go up to the very top right corner where these three little dots are. Go all the way down to settings. Once you get into settings, you're going to go to appearance and then over to customize your toolbar. When I click on customize my toolbar, this little box on the right hand side pulls up and you're able to customize what the top of your web page looks like at all times. So for example, you can choose to have your Google Password Manager always showing, which is this little key right here. Any of these other resources here. But what I'm focusing on today is this Create QR Code under Tools and Actions. Make sure this is turned on and then you'll be able to see this little box here in the very top right corner. To show you how this works, you're going to navigate to any page that you want to create a QR code for. For example, I navigated to our tech team Linktree, which has all of our resources, how to schedule another appointment, our YouTube, and more resources. A lot of agents have something similar, whether that's a digital business card, or a Linktree, or a list of resources somewhere. This is a great example of something that you can make into a QR code. You could also do the same for any other website, whether that be your actual website, your Facebook, any social medias, or more. Once you're on the website that you want to create a QR code for, you're going to navigate to the very top right corner, back to these four little boxes, and now it is no longer grayed out. I'm able to click on it. The reason it was grayed out before, you do have to be on an actual website before it will pop up. As you can see here, if I'm just on a Google tab, this box is not able to be clicked on. Go ahead and click on this QR code icon. Here, the link will auto-generate whatever page you are on. If you want to put a different web link, you absolutely can. Just delete this and paste in your link. When you're ready, just go ahead and press download. And now it'll be right here at the very top. That's a super easy, quick tip for you to save some time when creating QR codes. Now there are a couple other ways that we can create a QR code inside of Google Chrome without needing to customize your toolbar and add this QR code icon at the top. One of those ways is a simple right click or two-finger click depending on your device. When I right click, this menu will pop up and I'm able to go down and you're going to see create QR code for this page. Exact same thing will pop up where you can enter the link or it'll auto-generate and then you can copy or download. Now if your touchpad does not work or you don't want to do the right click, one other way is to go up to the very top right, these three dots. We're going to go down to Cast, Save, and Share, and then down to Create QR Code. Again, same thing, it'll pop up. You can customize that link, copy, or download. Stay tuned for next week's Techy Tuesday. I'll be diving even deeper into how to customize your toolbar and add different icons like this up there at the top. Stay tuned!